Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Venmo Credit Card account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in venmo.com/about/credit card. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Login option. Here you'll have to enter your email address, mobile number or username associated with your account. Then tap on Next button. Here you'll have to enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up option. Finally, after entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Venmo Credit Card account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.